Hi there, beautiful. No matter how good your makeup is, if wala kang brows, the look is incomplete. So we're going to use the brow definer and eyebrow brush. Step 1. Know where to start, where is the point, and where is the end of the brows. If you are a beginner, make sure to use a good brow pencil. Magsisimula ka sa inner corner ng iyong mata, and at the center of your pupil, doon naman ang arch, and from the outer corner of your eyes, doon naman yung endpoint ng brows mo. Step 2 is do the outline para mas madali mag-create ng magandang brows. Just follow the shape of your brows. Don't be afraid to extend your brows because it creates illusion of symmetrical face. Step 3. Fill in your brows and follow the strands of your hair. So kung pataas yung brows ng strand ng hair mo, pataas din yung stroke ng brow pencil mo. Blend well because blending is the key to have a good defined brows, and brush according to your hair strands. When you spot the difference, ganyan ka-importante yung kilay. Kahit gano'n pa kaganda yung makeup mo, kung wala kang kilay, hindi pa rin ito kompleto. Why use Mary Kay Brow Liner? Number 1, pigmented ito, madaling kumulay at matagal maubos. Easy to blend, natural color, at sweat-proof pa. Get yours now for $299 only.